Assalamu alaikum, good day everyone. So today I will solve the problem 1 in practice problems. So we have this problem. It says, or sinasabi nga, 0.5 kilograms, add 0.5 kilograms, 50 milligrams, and 2.5 decigrams, reduce the result to grams. So gusto nga i-combine natin ito lahat, i-add natin lahat, tapos i-convert natin sila into grams. Pero in order to add them all or sum them all, and they have different units, it's very hard. So gagawin natin is convert them into grams, then add them to each other. So let's start with the 0.5 kilogram. So how to convert it into grams? So just follow my steps. Step 1, sulatin mo ang multiplication symbol and fraction. Then step 2, isulat mo ito dito sa baba ng fraction para ma-cancel out siya, kasi ang unit na yan, ayaw natin sa unit na yan. Then yung upper part of the fraction, isulat natin yung desired unit. Ang desired unit is grams, so isulat natin ang grams. Then that's the second step. That's the third step. The fourth step is find the largest unit. Saan ang largest unit, gram or kilogram? Ang pinaka-large is kilogram, so ito na siya. So the largest unit, isulat mo sa tabi nga ang 1. So yan ang fourth step, if I'm not mistaken. Yung fifth step, what should you do is ask yourself how many grams inside a kilogram. Yung maliit na unit, ilan siya sa loob ng malaking unit. So ang grams inside the kilogram is 1,000, as we discussed earlier in the previous lecture sa table na yan, itong table, kung ilan ang kilo, ilan ang mera, ilan ang mega. So yung kilo is 1,000 of a base unit. So ang base unit natin is gram. So kilogram is 1,000 grams. So ito lang siya. So balik tayo. So nakikita natin, nasulat natin ito. So let's proceed with the mathematics. Ang kilogram will be cancelled out with kilogram. Then ang gawin natin is multiplication lang. 0.5 times 1,000. So ilan yun? 0.5 times 1,000 is 500. Then the unit we have here is grams. So ilagay na natin ang grams dito. Then here we have our answer, 500 grams. Next naman yung 50 milligrams, i-convert natin into grams. 50 milligrams into grams. So anong gagawin natin? Same lang, multiplication symbol, fraction, milligrams downward, then sa taas yung grams, desired unit. Then saan ang pinakamalaking unit is grams. Then after ang pinakamalaking unit, ang maliit na unit, ilan siya sa loob ng malaking unit. So yung 1 gram, ang nialaman niya is 1,000 milligrams. Then let's proceed with the mathematics. Milligram will be cancelled out with milligram. Then the 50 will be divided by 1,000. So 50 divided by 1,000 is 0.05. Tapos yung unit natin is grams. The remaining unit is grams. So here's our answer for the second part. Then the third part is yung 2.5 decigrams. So i-convert natin siya into grams. So yun na, multiplication symbol, fraction, then ito isulat natin siya sa baba, then sa taas ang desired unit, which is the grams. Then hanapin natin ang pinakamalaki. So ang pinakamalaki is grams, isulat natin ang 1. Then ilan ang decigram sa isang gram? Ilan ang decigram sa isang gram is 10 decigrams inside 1 gram. So ang gawin natin is continue with the mathematics. So decigram will be cancelled out with decigram. Then the 2.5 will be divided by 10. So we will have 0.25, and the unit is grams. Then our last step is summation. So sabi nga is sum, as we see here, add. So i-sum na natin sila. Yung 500 grams plus 0.05 grams, then plus 0.25 grams. Then i-add natin sila. So it will be equal to 500.3. Tapos yung unit is grams. And here's our answer. Thank you for watching.